This package just arrived from Chanel. And I got some lovely skincare samples. I love these because they are perfect to travel with. I think I've said that before, and it gives me a chance to try out more of their skincare because I'm not as familiar with their skincare as I am with their makeup. So this is a great way to test everything out. I'm really excited about these Luggage Water Fresh blush products because I love the Water Fresh tint, and I got mine in a couple of shades, but I'll be able to show you swatches of all of them. Let's take a look at these first. This is in light pink, and I picked this up mainly because there were so many requests for this one. Thank you so much for responding on the community tab because that's how I made my decisions on these blushes. So let's look at light pink first. This looks very similar to the Luggage Water Fresh tint packaging, just smaller. I'll actually pull those in a moment so we can get a comparison, and we'll also need that for something a little bit later. But it comes like this, and it's a pump dispenser. This is a close-up of how it looks dispensed. It's an ultra lightweight moisturizing blush infused with micro droplet pigments that blend seamlessly into the skin for a sheer touch of color and a natural looking flushed effect, as if you just spent a day in the great outdoors. You can definitely see those droplets in there, but let's go ahead and blend this. So a little goes a long way there, and the light pink I think is actually going to work quite nicely on my skin tone. These are more pigmented than I thought they would be, or at least this one is. So this is light pink, and there's still a bit of warmth to it. It's not completely cool. Lovely shade. And then we have light peach. This product was developed using microfluidic technology. The visible micro droplet pigments melt into the skin upon contact, offering a barely there finish and a healthy looking glow. Composed of 75% water, the formula provides an instant burst of freshness. Natural tamarind seed extract helps hydrate the skin for up to 8 hours and delivers non-stop comfort all day long. This is light peach compared to light pink. And I think this will really inform the rest of the shades because we'll be able to see how well these show up on me, and then you'll just be able to see how much more intensity you can get with the other shades. Let me go ahead and swatch the rest for you as well. Okay, so I've swatched all of the shades here for you, and these definitely go a long way. So that little droplet took up all of this space, and that second droplet took up all of this space. So I think these will last quite a while. Again, we have here light pink, light peach. This is warm pink, and warm pink looks like, of course, a blend between these two, but more intense as well. Next is intense coral. Then we have deep apricot and deep bronze. So you can see the warm tones versus the cool tones. I have to say these do lean more warm. The coolest one is going to be this light pink. And it's not even the coolest pink shade I've ever seen. Yeah, these other ones definitely have some warmth to them. It starts to get more intense towards this end here. I do like the range of intensity here, but I have to say the undertone doesn't really have that much of a range. They're mostly quite warm. So we'll really get to see how warm or cool this one looks on me, the light pink, because I have to say that is the coolest one. Let me know if there are other shades in the Chanel blushes you would like me to swatch against these for the Get Ready With Me. I'll try and insert that if I get to your comments by the time I'm done editing that video, and that should go up pretty soon as well. Next we have the Luggage Water Fresh Complexion Touch. I picked mine up in B40, and I apologize for the first part of this video because I realized how quickly I was speaking because I just edited it. And the reason why is because I have to turn off the air conditioner to film, and it gets really hot really fast. So that's why I was trying to speak so quickly, but I'm going to slow down here a little bit because I think that was a little bit too fast. So let's go ahead and get into this product. So wow, this looks very much like it does in the photos where you can see those droplets in there, but much more intense than in the Water Fresh tint. So It comes with this brush as well. I read a little bit about this product and it makes sense that this brush is like this, so you can be more intentional about where you place product versus the Water Fresh tint. This is a first of its kind versatile makeup product infused with ultra concentrated micro droplet pigments. The medium coverage formula offers customizable application, conceal specific areas, or apply all over for a flawless, incredibly looking natural finish. So that's why I think the brush is shaped the way it is, because they do talk about how you can use this in specific areas, kind of like, I'm guessing, a concealer. This is composed of 60% water. The Luggage Water Fresh Complexion Touch delivers a lightweight gel texture that delivers a unique cooling sensation. Antioxidant-rich ingredients, including jasmine extract, help shield skin from pollution and other environmental aggressors. Emollients, such as tamarind extract, which is known for its hydrating properties, leave the complexion looking plump, fresh, and well-rested. So it says you can use a brush or your fingertips to blend this, so we're going to use a brush. Okay, that blended quite easily. It looks like it has a little bit more warmth than B40 in the Sublimage L'Essence de Temps. We're going to test that against B40 because this right here is B40. So let's check that foundation and then we'll look at some other shades and also the Water Fresh tint. We have here the Sublimage L'Essence de Temps in the same B40 shade. So I want to check for consistency to see how much they are similar or different, even though they both say B40. So this is B40 in the Sublimage L'Essence de Temps, and this is B40 in the Water Fresh Complexion Touch. There seems to be a bit of a difference in their undertones. There's just a little bit more of a golden hint here versus this one. So we're gonna see that when applied, but that's good that it's very close because this is a good match for me right now. Yeah, on camera, this looks a little bit lighter, but it's not. It's maybe slightly lighter. It might be the way the light's reflecting it. I have the shade below this and the shade above this. And there's quite a jump, it looks like, in terms of how far off they are from B40. So let's take a look. Here's the Water Fresh Touch in B40. This is the Water Fresh Touch in B30. So you can see how big of a gap there is between those two. And then we have the same Water Fresh Touch in B50. So it looks like there's also quite a jump here. Amongst this range here, this is the best shade match for me based on this swatch. Again, B40, B30, B50. As you can see, I do love the Luggage Water Fresh tint because I'm almost out of both of these. I have two, actually I have three shades, but these are the closest ones. So I have medium and I also have medium plus. So if you are in that range, I'll be able to show you the difference. So I have the Water Fresh tint in medium. So it's got a pinkier tone. And then we've got medium plus, which is a little bit warmer and a little bit deeper. So medium is a good shade for me in the winter and medium plus is a good shade for me now. And the difference between this product here and these, the Water Fresh tint are a light to medium coverage foundation with a gel texture and pigmented micro droplets that create a radiant, healthy glow. The composition has the microfluidic technology and is composed of 75% water. Claims to deliver a burst of freshness upon application and up to 8 hours of hydration. Natural tamarind seed, known for its moisturizing properties, helps comfort. Skin feels refreshed and energized. So you can see it's a bit more sheer here than here. Of course, this is a foundation, so it's not as sheer as these. So we kind of go from sheer to not so sheer to a foundation type coverage. So I think when I do the try on, I will try this first by itself. But then I think I'll go in with this and maybe layer the two and see how that works. For reference, here are those three products side by side, just so you can see the difference in sizes. We've got the Water Fresh tint, the Water Fresh touch, and then the Water Fresh blush. I hope I love these as much as I love this product. I wanted to unbox this with you because my sister actually helped me find these. I was telling her how frustrated I was at finding these, but she was able to find them for me from a retailer in Hong Kong. She lives in Hong Kong, and I didn't even know HBX existed. So I wanted to order this first before I shared any kind of information with you so we could look at it together. But let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, these are the New Balance shoes that everyone seems to be looking for and cannot find. And they are by New Balance. So these are the shoes, my sister actually has this exact pair that are so difficult to find, but I panic bought because they did have my size, but I ordered in, I think it was W7 or something. I messed up the sizes because I needed to actually order a 5.5. It was very confusing. So I actually ordered 2 pairs and they emailed me and told me that they were happy to adjust the size because I emailed them. I said, I ordered 2 because the first order was the wrong size. So I actually asked them to please cancel the first order because I had placed a second order immediately in the correct size. Actually, my sister reminded me I should be looking at a certain size. And so they actually offered to adjust the size for me instead of cancel, but then I explained to them I've already made a second order with my correct size. So these are really nice. Like, what I really liked is this part of the heel. I think they're really lovely looking. I wasn't sure about ordering from overseas. I wasn't sure how fast they would get here. They were here faster than some orders that I order from the East Coast. Yeah, really fast shipping and really great customer service. So this is a company I'd never heard of before, but I will definitely be shopping off their site in the future. It's HBX, but I still will receive the J. Crew ones and we'll see what they look like in comparison. But I'll leave the link to this one in case you wanted them. Oh yeah, here we go. These are the 327s, which are near impossible to find. I cannot find them anywhere. I looked high and low and again, did not realize that this was even a site that existed. So if you were interested, I will leave a link below. Hopefully they'll have your size. We've got something here from Topicals. As you know, I use their Faded cream for my dark spots. They kindly sent this over, so thank you so much to Topicals. It's called Slather. It's an exfoliating body serum, which I don't think I've ever used that type of product before. It's for textured skin. It says it's got retinol, lactic acid, urea, squalene. No synthetic dyes and also vegan. There are 5 fluid ounces in here. It says we formulated based on cutting-edge scientific research in partnership with our team of qualified derms and estheticians. They clinically studied plant-based ingredients that have been proven to be safe and effective. It says to slather this all over for 2 to 3 times a week or more often as tolerated. I have to remove this. It looks like a lotiony type of texture. Feels really nice. Let's see if we can get it to, I put a lot on there. Let's see how this absorbs into the skin. It feels really nice on the skin. It's kind of a lightweight kind of lotion is what it feels like. It says serum, but it definitely feels more like a lotion, but not like a thick, heavy lotion. A nice lightweight lotion. Really nice. Again, please let me know if there's anything else you would like to see swatched against these products. I'll be happy to do that if I get to it before I am done editing the Get Ready With Me, but I'll be filming that right now. So make sure to tune into that video. It should be going up very soon. But that is it for today's video. So please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.